Starting a meal prep business is your ticket to tapping into the thriving world of convenient, healthy eating. Imagine transforming your culinary skills into a profitable venture that caters to busy lifestyle. This video will show you exactly how to start a meal prep business and let your passion be a booming success. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC so you can protect your personal belongings. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. And without further ado, let's get started. Statistics of the meal prep business. The meal prep industry is on the rise, driven by consumers looking for easy, nutritious, and affordable meal solutions. In 2022, the global market for prepared meals was valued at more than $155 billion and is expected to soar to about $245 billion by 2029. Starting a meal prep business allows you to cater to those who appreciate the benefits of meal prepping but lack the time, skills, or desire to do it themselves. Whether you want to offer pre-cooked meals or meal kits, there is a substantial market waiting for you. Understanding your market and finding your niche. Before diving into your meal prep business, it's crucial to understand who your customers are. Are you targeting busy professionals, health-conscious individuals, families, or those with specific dietary requirements? Knowing your target audience will help you tailor your services to meet their needs and preferences. Start by researching your competition to see what they offer and identify any gaps in the market. Look at their pricing, menu options, and customer reviews. This information will help you determine how to differentiate your business and offer something unique. Choosing a niche is vital. Whether you specialize in vegan meals, fitness-focused options, gourmet dishes, or family-sized portions, being specific will help you market your business more effectively. For example, you might find that there is high demand for gluten-free or keto-friendly meals in your area. By focusing on a niche, you can better meet your customers' needs and stand out in a crowded market. Creating a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for any new venture. Start by outlining your business goals, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This document will serve as your roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you stay on track. Consider your startup costs, which may include kitchen equipment, ingredients, packaging, marketing, and permits. Depending on the scale of your operation, initial costs can range anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. Be sure to factor in ongoing expenses as well. Legal requirements are another critical aspect of your business plan. You'll need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally, including a business license, food handler's permit, and health department approval. Additionally, forming a legal entity such as an LLC is highly recommended. An LLC not only protects your personal assets by separating them from your business liabilities, but also provides potential tax benefits. By establishing an LLC, you can enhance your business credibility and ensure smoother operations as you grow. Designing your menu and sourcing ingredients. Your menu is the heart of your meal prep business. Design a menu that caters to your target market's preferences and dietary needs. Offer a variety of meals to keep customers interested in coming back for more. Balance is key. So include options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as snacks and desserts if possible. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial to ensure you receive fresh, high-quality ingredients. Establish relationships with local farmers, wholesalers, and specialty stores. Buying in bulk can help reduce costs, but be sure you have adequate storage to prevent waste. Cost management is essential for profitability. Calculate the cost of ingredients, labor, and packaging for each meal to set competitive prices. Aim for a profit margin of about 20 to 30% to ensure sustainability. Offering meal plans or subscription services can provide steady income and build customer loyalty. Setting up your kitchen and equipment. Decide whether you'll operate from a home kitchen, rent a commercial space, or set up a dedicated facility. Each option has its pros and cons. A home kitchen might be cost-effective, but scaling up could be challenging. A commercial kitchen offers more space and resources but comes with a higher cost. Invest in high-quality kitchen equipment such as ovens, refrigerators, prep tables, and packaging machines. Ensure your kitchen meets all food safety and hygiene standards to avoid any legal issues and maintain customer trust. Regularly clean and maintain your equipment to keep everything running smoothly. Implement strict food safety protocols, including regular cleaning, proper storage, and temperature control. Train your staff thoroughly to follow these procedures and prevent foodborne illnesses. A clean and organized kitchen is not only safe, but also boosts efficiency. Developing a marketing strategy. Branding is critical to attract and retain customers. Create a strong brand identity with a memorable logo, professional website, and active social media profiles. Your brand should reflect the quality and uniqueness of your meal prep services. Use high-quality photos and engaging content to showcase your meals and connect with your audience. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to promote your business. Share customer testimonials, behind-the-scenes look at the meal preparation, and special promotions. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers in your niche to reach a wider audience and build credibility. Your marketing strategy should include multiple sales channels. Offer your meals through your website, meal prep apps, local delivery services with gyms or health clubs. Diversifying your sales channels can increase your reach and revenue. Managing operations efficiently. Efficient operations are vital to the success of your meal prep business. Keep track of your inventory to avoid running out of ingredients or overstocking perishable items. Use inventory management software to streamline this process and ensure you always have what you need. Develop a streamlined workflow for meal preparation, packaging, and delivery. Plan your meals and prep work in advance to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. Ensure your meals are packaged securely to maintain freshness and quality during transit. Choose a reliable delivery method, whether it's in-house drivers, third-party services, or pickup options. Provide excellent customer service to build loyalty and encourage repeat business. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and address any issues quickly and professionally. Scaling your business for growth. As your business grows, consider expanding your menu to include more variety or offering additional services like catering or cooking classes. Keep an eye on market trends and customer feedback to identify new opportunities. Hiring staff can help you manage increased demand. Look for kitchen staff, delivery drivers, and customer service representatives who share your passion for quality and customer satisfaction. Invest in training to ensure your team is well prepared and motivated. Plan for long-term growth by exploring new markets, investing in marketing, and continually improving your operations. Consider franchising or opening additional locations to expand your reach. Regularly review your business plan and adjust your strategies as needed to stay competitive. So, starting a meal prep business requires careful planning, dedication, and a passion for food. By following these steps, you can build a successful business that meets the growing demand for convenience and healthy meal solutions. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.